taking out the transmission bolts, dropping the fluid in the pan, and going from there. This is a 03. I replaced the transmission pan and filter with the 08 version, and the filter is 9C3P 7G186-AA, and it's really simple upgrade. You have to just change the pan and the filter, that's it. So if you buy an 08 pan, 08 filter, then those things will go in, and it's a much better filtering system as far as all the forms say for the micron ratings and stuff like that. So I got my kit from Transgo. It's part number 5R1-PLUG-PS. You can see the valve body and the position of the different 5 pressure sensors. Those were only used during the manufacturing, not during normal driving. The computer doesn't monitor them. So here's the 5 metal plugs that are going to get replaced. Here's the valve body. This is one of the sensors right here. And then there's 5, 3 more on this side, and then 1 up on the front. And there's just a little metal clip that pulls down to release that. But so what I'm going to do is just going to use my little pick. I'm going to pull these metal clips down and then take these sensor out. I already loosened this one, so here's the metal clip that comes out. Get a little bit of fluid out of there. And then when you put the metal plug in, you're just going to take this sensor, you're just going to disconnect it from the electrical, and you're just going to leave that electrical hanging. I'll probably zip tie it up. There's no moving parts, so it's not going to be critical. But disconnect this sensor, and then we're going to fill this port with the metal plug. Before I put the O-ring on the plug, I'm going to get a little fluid on the O-ring so it's not so dry when I'm putting it over the edge. So get some fluid on it. Alright, so I've got the O-ring on this plug. We're going to go ahead and insert it up here. So it's just going to set in. Just press in. And then taking the metal clip, or you're just gonna go ahead and push that clip up in there and hold that in there. Now this sensor that was here, we're just gonna disconnect that. So there's that sensor that the factory used for installation or assembly of the transmission, not monitored by the PCM at all, so that can just be removed. So there's where the sensor was. It's a TFT, transmission fluid temperature sensor, and it's found just right up here, and it's going to be a quarter turn counterclockwise and then pull straight down to remove it, and then insert, turn clockwise, and put back in. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out, and then I'll show it when it's done being replaced. Alright, so you can now see the sensor right here has been removed. I'm going to unhook it from the electrical, hook up the new one, and install it. This is the new sensor, BC3P7H141AA.